Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I want to make a quick video about my Series 4 Apple Watch. This is the fourth or fifth time it's locked up within a week or week and a half, and I'm wondering if any of you have this same issue. In fact, it's completely unresponsive. I was using it and I went to see what time it was. It wouldn't turn on. No notifications were coming in, and in fact it won't turn on or anything. I have to hard reset it by holding both of these buttons. So we'll do that now because it just won't come on. So you have to hold it for about 10 seconds. You'll see I'm still holding them, and we'll wait for it to reboot. There we go. So it's finally rebooting, and for whatever reason it just was not working whatsoever. And this is not on a beta. I normally run betas, but on the Apple Watch, it's so hit or miss. Unless there's major changes, I don't generally run a beta. Now, had they brought the ECG meter into production yet on public betas or the developer beta, I would be all over that and be using it. But it's not yet available, so I haven't loaded it. So you'll see it's still booting up, and it will work probably fine for another day or two, but then it will lock up again. And I wondered if any of you have this issue. I've been using it with my XS Max here, and this has been pretty flawless as far as the watch side goes, and on beta 4 it's running fine, but the watch just keeps freezing up over and over. And you'll see, there we go, we're up and working, and it's working just fine. So I don't know what is going on with it, and I wondered if you're having that issue yourself. Now, of course, they're going to fix this probably with a software update in the future, but just wanted to see if any of you are having this issue, because it's kind of a pain having to reset your watch, not being able to depend on it. And the battery life is at 64%, as you can see here. So it was completely frozen up, it was unresponsive, and the battery was not dead. And the battery's been great, and when it works, I'm really happy with this watch. But for whatever reason right now, it's just locking up over and over. Otherwise, I haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. I find it very comfortable, it works well, and that's really it. There's not much more to say about it until they bring that ECG meter or EKG meter, depending what you want to call it. And it works well, and I just don't know why it's freezing up over and over and over. So it's watchOS 5, and that's it, or the latest version that's out. Let's take a look here. So on the iPhone, in the Watch app, you'll see I'm on 5.0.1, and that's really it. There's not much more to say about it. It's updated. It shouldn't be locking up, and I'm wondering if maybe I should bring this to Apple, or if many of you are having this issue as well. So let me know in the comments below if you've experienced it. I'd love to hear what you have to say, and hopefully it's just a bug and not a hardware issue. Of course, Apple's great about swapping these out if it's a problem and they diagnose it in the store it's a problem. But again, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.